If CapCut is not opening on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can solve the issue fast. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution first, and then moving into more effective troubleshooting methods if CapCut still refuses to launch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, try running CapCut as an administrator. Sometimes the app does not open properly because it does not have enough permission to start correctly on Windows. To do this, find the CapCut shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu, right-click on it, and then choose Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes and let the app launch. This simple step can fix startup problems caused by restricted access or background conflicts. If CapCut still is not opening, the next thing to do is clear the CapCut app cache. Over time, cached files can become corrupted and prevent the app from loading properly. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Then type %locale app data /CapCut and press Enter. This will open the CapCut folder on your computer. Inside, look for folders named Data or Cache. If you see them, delete those folders. Don't worry, this usually removes temporary files and not your actual projects. After that, restart your PC and try opening CapCut again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the problem. If CapCut still won't open, the next step is to update your graphics drivers and your Windows system. CapCut relies on your GPU and system files to run properly, so outdated drivers or missing Windows updates can cause launch issues. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, go to the NVIDIA website or use GeForce Experience to check for updates. If you have AMD, use the AMD software or official driver page. Make sure Windows is also fully updated by going to Settings, then Windows Update, and installing any available updates. Once everything is updated, restart your computer and test CapCut again. If none of those steps work, the final fix is to reinstall CapCut completely. First, uninstall CapCut from your PC through Settings or the control panel. After uninstalling, restart your computer so any leftover processes are cleared out. Then, go to the official CapCut website, download the latest version, and run the installer again. Installing a fresh copy often fixes corrupted files, broken updates, or missing components that stop CapCut from launching. So to quickly recap, if CapCut is not opening on PC, try running it as administrator, clear the cache, update your graphics drivers and Windows, and if needed, reinstall the app from the official website. One of these steps should get you back up and running. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful computer fixes and app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.